Welcome the our channel. Today we how to withdraw from Wise to your US bank account, detailed guide step by step clearly. To withdraw from Wise to your US bank account, first, log into your Wise account. Using a web browser or the mobile app, enter your email and password. After logging in, you will be directed to your dashboard. Locate the balances section on the main screen. Click on the currency balance you wish to withdraw. Next, select the option to withdraw or send. You'll be prompted to choose a recipient. Select My US Bank Account if you have already added it. If you haven't added your bank account, click on Add a new bank. Provide your bank details, including your account number and routing number. Once your bank account is successfully linked, return to the withdrawal screen. Enter the amount you wish to withdraw. Review the conversion rate, if applicable, and any fees that may apply. Confirm that all details are correct before proceeding. Click on the Confirm button to initiate the withdrawal process. You will receive a notification confirming your withdrawal request. Withdrawal times may vary, but it typically takes 1 to 3 business days. You can track the status of your withdrawal in the Activity section. Once the funds are transferred, check your bank account balance to ensure receipt. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.